Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below. It will help the channel grow. In this video, I'll show you how to register and apply for a free Atome card. By the way, if you want to get yours too, check the video description to register and get a chance to win an iPhone 15 and receive a spending limit of up to 200,000. Alright, let's get to it. First, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Atome. Atome is a leading buy now pay later platform that lets users split purchases into 3 or 6 monthly payments. It's widely accepted both online and in-store, making shopping more flexible and convenient. Once installed, open the app and tap Get Started. Enter your mobile number, click Next, then send an OTP verification. You can choose between Viber, SMS, or voice. I'll go with SMS. Now create a secure passcode. And you have also the option to enable Face ID for quick logins. Awesome, I've successfully registered an Atome account. Now let's apply for an Atome card. From the homepage, tap the Apply for the Atome Card banner. With an Atome card, you can pay in 3 or 6 months. Here are some of the perks. 0% interest fee when bills are paid on time, no annual fees, hidden charges or paperwork, spending limit of up to 200,000, flexible repayments in 3 or 6 months, and seamless shopping with QRPH, fast, simple, and secure. Here's how to apply in 3 simple steps. First, prepare a valid ID, such as SSS, UMID, driver's license, passport, or national ID. Second, complete the application exclusively on the app. It only takes 90 seconds. And lastly, once approved, you can start using Atome Card or QRPH for purchases online, in-store, and even overseas. Let me apply for my own Atome Card now. Tap Apply for Free. Choose your card design, black, white, or pink. I'll pick white. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap Next. Share your location for added security. Start facial verification for identity authentication.
Liveness detection succeed.
Next, take a photo of your valid ID. I'm using my UMID card. Review your info and fill in the complete address. You'll also be asked to provide your mother's information, employment details, and some personal info and a character reference. Once done, confirm the name of your card and mailing address. Click Next. Great, I've successfully submitted my Atome card application. They mentioned that the review process takes up to 3 days.
Tomorrow.
After just 1 day, I received an email saying my application was approved. When I opened the Atome app, I got 8,000 spending limit, and my virtual card was already active. The physical card will be delivered within 10 working days. And that's how you register and apply for a free Atome card. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy shopping smarter with Atome.